Yeah? Are you done? Hello, and thanks for checking out my tune and talk today. This tune that I played, it's a jig called the Morning Lark. Don't confuse it with a popular tune called Lark in the Morning. It has some similar parts, especially that second part sounds very similar to Lark in the Morning. But it's kind of a mishmash. I find this tune is very similar to one called Kitty Lie Over, and then also Lark in the Morning. So the Morning Lark, it's a really fun one to play. Has a lot of popping in the second part, which is that uilleann pipe technique where you kind of pop the chanter off your leg and make a little barking sound. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to kind of chat about a few things today. Firstly, I wanted to thank everyone that's followed me so far on this journey. It's been a little over a year now that we've been doing the YouTube channel, and I never expected things to go this far, and I just wanted to thank everyone very much because it's really been an encouragement for me to keep going, and it motivates me to keep learning new tunes and keep posting content and trying to improve on what I do. So couldn't be here without you, couldn't have done it without you, and I just wanted to thank you for that. Secondly, I wanted to comment that this has helped me in another way of kind of my public speaking and just my confidence in speaking. I know I still do a lot of ums and ahs in my video. That's kind of just, again, my confidence level, but I do feel I can kind of put my thoughts better on the fly and kind of just present my thoughts easier in word, which is something I've always struggled with a little bit. So, you know, still not perfect, a long way to go, but I'm surprised how much just talking to the camera and having to have my thoughts ready has really helped with this process. So when I'd started this, I remember taking like 6 or 7 takes to just get a little summary chat like this, and now I can kind of get them out in 1 or 2 takes without too many screw-ups. So again, it's just that connection and doing these channels that has really helped me to get this out there. Lastly, the thing I wanted to talk about is I wanted to ask you as my audience, or as, you know, people out there in the YouTube world, what are your thoughts on this channel? This channel started with the focus of my journey into uilleann piping and learning the uilleann pipes, and it's going to remain that way. My focus is the uilleann pipes. That's always been my passion since I was very young. But since I've started the uilleann pipes, this whole world of, you know, traditional Celtic music and sessions has opened up for me. And I've started picking up the whistle, the low whistle, and the tin whistle that you've seen in some of the videos I've done. And as you might have seen in my last video I've posted, which I'll put a clip here or here, I can't remember where the box pops up. I just recently purchased a traditional Irish flute, actually, which I have right here. So yeah, what are your thoughts on expanding this video, or this channel, I should say, to kind of all things Irish music? Are you okay with watching some progress videos of learning and playing the Irish flute? And are you happy with the whistle videos? Or do you just want to see uilleann pipes only? I am good with uilleann pipes only. I probably will, what I end up will do is making another channel with just like flutes and whistles. But I think it'd be kind of fun just to kind of follow my story into like the traditional Irish music world and have a little mix of everything. Just kind of toss it up a bit and throw you for a loop one day and have something completely different posted. So let me know what your thoughts are. Uilleann pipes only, or are you okay with uilleann pipes, flute, and whistle, and just kind of following the whole journey? I'm curious on your thoughts. Your thoughts are important to me. But other than that, I don't have much to say. I'm still trying to progress. I have good days and bad days, just like everyone else. But yeah, I'm still enjoying it a lot, and definitely through the kind of darker, harder days of winter, it's nice to come home and just pick up the pipes or the flute and practice a little bit. So thanks again for joining me on all of these journeys, and really glad you could be here. Love all the comments, and I'm sorry if I don't get back to all of them. Sometimes I see them and then they kind of get buried in there, and I'll try and get back to them as soon as I can. But if I've missed you, my sincerest apologies. I will try and get better with that. So I hope everyone is well and enjoying their new year, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.